Hey YouTube, it's Taki with Taki Tech. Okay, so I decided that it's going to be better to use a name for each sheet, and that we should name each sheet when we create it. Just because otherwise, right now we're going to be working with two sheets. One is the name sheet, and the other one is going to be the new sheet that is created. And when we create that new sheet, if we just call it active sheet, sometimes it could be confusing between the name sheet and the new sheet. So we're just going to name the sheet right away, and I'm going to go back to the VBA editor, and I'm going to add a new variable here. So dim new sheet name. Now notice that I used the lowercase n here. Not that it really makes a difference, but it's sort of a convention, so I know when I'm using new sheet name that that's a variable. And we're going to do that as string. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to use an input box like we have in the past. And I'm going to say, please enter the project's name. Alright, and we're going to give it a title, project. Oh, let's put that in quotations, project name. Alright. Okay, so there's our input box. Oh, did we forget to close something off here? Are we getting an error? Alright, let's take a look again. Let me go back in here, hit the comma, title, project, name. This should be good. Oops. Oh, forgot the equal sign. Okay. That was a very helpful message box. Okay. And now it doesn't like the comma. Expected. Oh, that's okay. Hello. All right, maybe I need some coffee. Let's get this new sheet name. So we're going to assign what is returned from the input box to the variable. Okay. All right, and then here, after we create the new sheet, we're going to use something called Worksheets.Count, the dot operator on that worksheet. We're going to get the number of the worksheet, which is technically the name of it, and then we're going to give it a name that we can recognize. So let's do ActiveWorkbook. Let's see here, Sheets. There we go. Let's call this Worksheets. Hit the dot, count. Hopefully that will all capitalize, or the first letters will capitalize. So we got our, we know what we're referring to. Dot name. Let me make sure this is all capitalized. Perfect. So that's going to give us the name, or allow us to name it. And we're just going to say equals new sheet name. Okay. So I'm going to run through it first, and let's see how this works here. Variable not defined, worksheet count. I think it's supposed to be worksheets. Let's see if that works. And we're going to step through it. Yep, that worked. Here comes our input box. Enter the project's name, Wellington. Okay, active workbook. So we're going to add a new sheet. Go back here. We're going to see sheet 1. Okay, and it's after the 2 because of the code we did last time in the last video. Now we're going to name that sheet Wellington. That seemed to have worked. Let's go take a look. There it is, Wellington. So this works pretty good. I didn't create new functions because each of these steps were just one line. And let's try it when I click on the box from the names list. And I'm just going to enter Johnson. Click OK, and I should get a tab real quick. There it is. Really quick. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, make sure you do subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take it easy. See you next time.